Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find that is perfect for the season. If you're looking to elevate your nail game this fall, you're in for a treat. We'll be exploring the MEFA 6 Colors Fall Gel Nail Polish Set. This set is truly the best autumn nail polish available, capturing the essence of the season in every bottle. So, grab a cozy blanket, and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the color selection. The MEFA set features 6 trendy fall shades that embody the rich and warm tones of autumn. You'll find maroon, crimson, pumpkin yellow, shimmering gold, maple orange, and walnut brown. These colors are not just visually appealing, they also reflect the changing leaves and cozy vibes of the season. Whether you're going for a classic pumpkin spice look or something more glamorous with the gold glitter, this set has you covered. Now, let's discuss the application process. The MEFA Gel Nail Polish is designed for easy use, even if you're a beginner. The formula is smooth and self-leveling, which means you won't have to worry about pesky brush strokes or air bubbles. Each polish applies effortlessly and cures well under UV or LED lights. With proper application, you can expect your nails to stay stunning for up to 3 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. Long-lasting shine and vibrant color without the hassle of frequent touch-ups. It's perfect for anyone who loves to have beautiful nails without the commitment of weekly salon visits. Another significant advantage of this nail polish set is its healthy formulation. MEFA has upgraded their ingredients, ensuring that their polishes are toxin-free and safe for your nails. You can indulge in your nail art hobby with peace of mind knowing that you're using a product that prioritizes nail health. Plus, the gel texture feels sleek and luxurious, making your at-home manicure feel like a professional treatment. Speaking of at-home manicures, this set is an excellent way to unleash your inner artist. With these fall colors, you can create stunning nail art designs that are perfect for Halloween parties, Thanksgiving gatherings, or just to brighten up your daily routine. The versatility of these shades allows for countless combinations and styles, so let your creativity flow. Whether you're doing a simple two-tone look or intricate nail art, the MEFA set is your new best friend. And if you're considering gift options, this set makes for a thoughtful present. Perfect for occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or just to brighten someone's day. Imagine gifting this set to a friend or loved one who loves nail art. It's a wonderful way to encourage creativity and offer a delightful way to bond over nail design. Plus, who wouldn't want to enjoy a family nail art night with friends and family using these beautiful autumn shades? In summary, the MEFA 6 Colors Fall Gel Nail Polish Set is a must-have for anyone looking to celebrate the beauty of autumn through their nails. With its vibrant colors, easy application, and healthy formulation, it truly stands out in the crowded market of nail products. So if you want to keep your nails looking fabulous this fall season, look no further than this gem. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on your favorite products. Until next time, keep those nails stylish and embrace the beauty of the season.